Hey cleaning family, it's Carolyn Arellano, your cleaning business mentor. And in today's video, I am going to give you an office tour of where I work from. This is my dog, Benson. He is like my son. If you guys follow me on Instagram, TikTok, all those channels, Lemonade, you might have seen him featured. He also has his own Instagram, which I will link at the bottom of the description of this video. I do bring my dog to work every single day because I have a really busy schedule. So this is the outside of the building in which I have my office. As you can see, this is like an industrial park. So a lot of different businesses work from this industrial park that we work in. So now let's go ahead. I'm going to bring you guys on inside. Benson, let's go, Papa. Come on. Oh my gosh. Okay, so let's head on inside. Benson had a little bit of an accident, but he's okay. Now, where we're walking into right now is actually supposed to be like a waiting room for like customers and stuff like that, but we've actually turned this into Benson's daycare area. So you see I brought his bed here. Although he ends up using this couch anyhow, he doesn't really use that bed. We usually have his cartoons on here on YouTube, but right now he needs a screen break. He also does spend time with me in my office, but I try to limit the time that he's in there because he just sleeps on the couch anyway, and he's just a distraction because he's so damn cute. I love having my dog at work because I can walk him. We take mental health break walks. I get to see my baby. I don't have to worry if my youngest daughter is walking him or not, or whether he ate breakfast or lunch. You can see how excited he is. He actually wants to come out of this room, but we're going to continue on with the tour. I'm just going to put my keys down and let's go. All right, you guys. So now I am going to show you this side of the office. The very first thing that I want to point out are these awesome photos that my best friend Robert took. He is a full-time teacher and he is a part-time photographer. These are all photos of Manhattan, New York, which we both love, and I happen to live in New York. So now here is our conference room. Now, when I used to have all of my technicians working for me as employees, we would actually meet in this room once a week, and we would just go over anything that we wanted to discuss over the business, and I would hear the team out. Now, this conference room is used by my daughter, myself, and my partner. This is where we do a lot of whiteboarding, come up with ideas for content creation, and we will go over my content using screen sharing on that screen and see where we can improve on the content that I'm creating for you guys. Now I'm going to show you the bathroom very quickly. We're not going to go into the men's room because I don't know if somebody's in there. So this is the bathroom. This bathroom is used by my daughter and myself. We have 2 stalls here. We keep all of our continence stuff down there. So let's go ahead and head over to the kitchen. So we do have my team come clean twice a month, so bi-weekly. This is the kitchen area. Now we do have breakfast and lunch in here. Sometimes we'll pick up dinner and eat here, or we'll go out to eat. As I mentioned, I'm here for like 12 hours a day, so I have to have groceries and snacks. Right now we actually have to go shopping on Monday, which is in a few days, so it's going to give you a quick peek. So we have a lot of like seltzer waters. I really like to eat yogurt, try to eat healthy. We have our milk for the cappuccinos. I do pack Benson's food every day, so this is his dinner. We have some cold cuts because we like to make wraps and stuff. I'm really trying to eat a little bit healthier than we used to. This is not my Mountain Dew. This right here is the cappuccino area. This gets used a lot. This is an awesome Nespresso machine. I have one of these at my home. And I love this. I'm going to link the link for this in the description of this video if you guys want to check that out. Here we have some more snacks. As I mentioned, we are, going shopping. So kind of try to do the healthy thing, almond butter, pistachios, caramel, rice cakes, and of course sugar-free cereal because I love cereal, but I also don't want to be diabetic or obese. Now, what else is there? So again, we eat here a lot, a couple times a day. More snacks over there. And now where we're going to head over to is the content creation room. As I mentioned, I no longer use this office really for my cleaning business because I don't have people coming in and out, but I do use this as my office since I am a full-time coach and content creator. So this is the studio. We are constantly upgrading and ordering furniture. We have some bookshelves coming in and a new desk. This is just how we have it set up at the moment. If you guys have been watching my most recent videos, I've been doing some more videos on the couch. This is just our filming schedule for today. These are just things that we have to get done before we leave. We do have deadlines. My daughter Sabrina sits here. She gets to watch me from the screen on here so she can see how well I'm doing, if I'm staying on time. She really has been a huge help with my social media management full time. Now over here is the garage. We used to keep my company vans in here. Currently, we do have one of the people that work here, they have some of their belongings in there because they're moving. So please do forgive us for the mess. I do still have some of my equipment in here. So as I mentioned, please ignore this mess over here. Over here, you'll see some of my equipment. I have, my carpet cleaning machine, upholstery cleaning machine. I have some air duct cleaning equipment over there. And this is just where we kept some of the floor specialty machines because it would be much easier to just back up the van through the garage door and pack for the day. Now we're going to head over to my actual office area. Now I do have 2 offices. Actually, we have 3. One of them is being used as storage. The other is empty. The other one we are currently working in. So follow me. All right, you guys. So this is my main office right here. But first, let me walk you to the one that I just walked past. So this is actually Sabrina's office, my daughter's office. Eventually, she will be moving into this space. But at the moment, since I was teaching her everything that she needed to know about her new job position, she was sitting with me, and I'll show you guys. So welcome to where all the creativity happens. This is my office. This is where I spend most of my time. As you can see, I have my kids involved with my business. I bring my dog to work, and that is just because I have to work all the time, right? Which I actually enjoy and I'm grateful for, and I absolutely love. So here's Sabrina's desk. We have her set up. She actually has a larger screen so that she can work more efficiently. We have it connected to her laptop over here. Now this is my desk. Again, they're back to back because we're talking to each other all the time. I always have a nice moleskin notebook. I love taking notes. Got my water bottle. I've got my MacBook. I've got my Mac laptop. I love writing on my desk. I can just put notes here. And then as I finish my tasks, I can just kind of wipe them off. These are like priority. And of course, we have a ton of notes that we're taking. I absolutely love these gigantic Post-its. I need to be able to see what I'm doing. Even though we have calendars, even though we have all these other apps, I need to physically see what we have to do. And I like to hit my deadlines. Over here, I have a little mirror of mine, little vanity mirror. In here, I have my makeup and some paperwork. So I do get ready at work every day that we're going to film. Of course, I have my couch right here. I am always taking naps on this couch. I need to from working from 9 to 9. It's pretty comfortable. I usually throw one of these blankets right here over my face. I tell Alexa to wake me up in an hour, and then I'm ready to work again. I also, of course, have my sweaters here because we're always getting cold in this office. And then I have my dog's blanket here because sometimes he does lay on this couch and I have to have it covered, obviously, because I like to lay on here. I also have my cleaning company clean this couch twice a month. So for those of you that are like, ew, the dog lays on the couch, and so do you. Now this is where we print all of our stuff. I do want to just show you, we do have more offices down there, but right here is where we do all of our printing, and this is where I keep, actually this is where I keep all my office supplies too. I'm like kind of not organized right now in here, but anyhow, you guys can see I just have like a bunch of paper supplies and stuff like that. But here is where you're going to see all the cleaning supplies that I have. So for the most part, it's pretty organized. You know, I have everything numbered, and the reason why I have everything numbered currently, and I also have an inventory checklist, is because I no longer have employees, I have subcontractors. For the team that does come clean the office for me, I want to make sure that they're not taking stuff that's not theirs. It happens, we all know this. So I do have inventory, and one of my daughters goes through inventory once a month, and if something is not where it's supposed to be, then somebody is going to get a phone call and a text message from me asking why they took my belongings. Now here we have more supplies. If you guys are interested in Oxygen Pro, we do put these in all of our commercial cleaning accounts. We have some more equipment down here. That is actually a power washer. That is a side-by-side, which can be used for carpets and hard floor. That is a wet dry vac. And then we have our slop sink area. So more supplies that maybe you guys are a little bit familiar with. These are all the concentrates for our commercial accounts, and as you can see, we have another inventory checklist. I think that's really wraps up the entire office tour, but we'll do a little quick walkthrough and I will walk you guys out. So again, this is my office in New Jersey. I do happen to live in New York. Again, we've been here for what, maybe like 2 years now, and we absolutely love the location. And now we are going to walk you out of the front door. We're going to say bye to Benson. Bye, Chooch. Bye, baby. It's my baby. Benson says he loves having you guys here, and he's wondering when we're going to put his YouTube back on. So thank you guys for joining me on my office tour, and until next time.